we shall continue with the complex numbers. So in the last lecture we have seen what are complex numbers. Now we shall continue with those. Now in the last lecture we have seen that a complex number is of the form a plus ib, where a is known as the real part and b is known as the imaginary part. Now we shall see some of the properties. A complex number is denoted by z. Z is equals to a plus ib. Now we shall see the some of the properties of complex numbers. Now any two complex numbers, say z1 and z2. These two complex numbers z1 and z2 are said to be equal. They are said to be equal. Any two complex numbers z1 and z2 are said to be equal if the real part and the imaginary part of these complex numbers are the same. Right? If the real and imaginary part of the complex numbers are the same, then we say that the two complex numbers are said to be equal. So let me say, let z1 be denoted by a plus ib and z2 be denoted by a c plus id. Right? So here I will say z1 is equals to a plus ib and z2 is equals to c plus id. Then these two complex numbers z1 and z2 are said to be equal, which I will be denoting it by z1 is equals to z2 if and only if a is equals to c and b is equals to d. So then only you can say that these two complex numbers are equal. Now for example, if z1 is equals to x plus iy and z2 is equals to 2 plus 3i, then the value of x should be 2 and the value of y should be 3. Then only you can say that these two complex numbers are said to be equal. Then I will be writing z1 is equals to z2. Then I can write it as z1 is equals to z2. Now I will take another example. If z1 is equals to a plus 1 by 3i, z1 is equals to a plus 1 by 3i and z2 is equals to 3 plus 2i, 3 plus bi, 3 plus bi, then z1 will be equal to z2 if the value of a is 3 and the value of b is 1 by 3. Then we say that z1 is the value of z1 is equal to z2 if the value of a is 3 and the value of b is 1 by 3. Then this is how the equality of two matrices, the equality of two complex numbers are known. Then how to add or subtract any two complex numbers. First we shall see the addition. First what we will do, we shall see the addition. Now let me consider z1 is equals to a plus ib, then z2 is equals to c plus id. Right? Then I will be adding this z1 plus z2. Then it is what, a plus ib plus c plus id. So this will be a plus c plus I into b plus d. So how these are added? These are added by adding the respective real part and the imaginary part. Then the addition is obtained. Then the addition of these two complex numbers is obtained. That is z1 plus z2. If you add here the simple addition, this is a plus ib and this is c plus id. So similarly, now subtraction takes place. z1 minus z2 is equals to a plus ib minus of C plus ID. So this will be A plus IB minus C minus ID. So this is A minus C, right, plus I into B minus D. So here you are adding the subtracting the real part, and here you are subtracting the imaginary part. Here I will be taking plus sign here to represent it as a complex number. So here z1 minus z2 will be a plus ib minus of c plus id. So a plus ib minus c minus id. So here it is a minus c plus I into b minus d. This is how you add it. And remember, one more thing that I need to tell you is, if I is root of minus 1, here the value of I is root of minus 1, then I square will be root of minus 1 the bracket square, which is equals to minus 1. Why I am telling you this? Because now we will be going for multiplication of any two complex numbers. I am going for multiplication of any two complex numbers. So here if I is equals to root of minus 1, then I square will be root of minus 1 the bracket square, which is equals to minus 1. Now how to multiply any two complex numbers? We shall see how to multiply any two complex numbers. So it is multiplication of two complex numbers. Now here z1 is equals to a plus ib, z2 is equals to c plus id. Now z1 into z2 is equals to z1 into z2 is equals to a plus ib into c plus id. So this is equals to a into c plus I into AD I into BC plus I square into BD. So this will be AC plus ID plus IBC minus BD. So this will be AC minus BD plus I into AD plus BC. So this is also a complex number. So this is what is Z1 into Z2. So in the next class onwards, I shall proceed with more on these multiplication. Thank you. Thank you.